Imagine this, your nighttime drink could be the secret weapon for stable blood sugar and better sleep. Yes, really. What if the key to avoiding those midnight spikes or morning crashes was as simple as what you sip before bed? Curious? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're uncovering the top bedtime drinks that not only help lower your blood sugar, but also work their magic while you rest peacefully. Let's dive in. Did you know that your blood sugar doesn't just affect your energy during the day? Nighttime spikes or drops can wreak havoc on your sleep, leaving you tired and out of balance the next morning. Many people focus on what they eat or drink during the day, but here's the truth. The drinks you choose before bed could be a game changer for your blood sugar levels. In this video, we'll explore calming teas, nutrient-packed beverages, and even a few surprising options that not only help regulate blood sugar, but also promote a restful night's sleep. Ready to uncover your new bedtime ritual? Let's get started. Drink number 1. Cinnamon tea. This comforting drink doesn't just warm you up, it also helps improve insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at managing blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce sugar cravings and help you wake up feeling balanced. Making it is super simple. Just brew a cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes, or if you're in a hurry, sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon into your favorite herbal tea. Sip on this aromatic drink before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Drink number 2. Golden milk. Golden milk, also known as turmeric latte, a soothing drink that does wonders for your blood sugar and overall health. The star ingredient, turmeric, contains curcumin, a compound known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It also helps enhance insulin response, which is crucial for keeping blood sugar levels in check. But there's more. Golden milk promotes relaxation, making it the perfect choice for winding down before bed. And when you combine it with ingredients like cinnamon and black pepper, you amplify its benefits and flavor. Here's how to make it. Heat up a cup of unsweetened milk. Almond or coconut milk works great. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin. Mix well, and if you like, add a drop of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Enjoy this creamy golden drink as part of your bedtime routine, and let it work to lower blood sugar while you sleep peacefully. Drink number 3. Chamomile tea. Our next bedtime drink is chamomile tea, a calming classic with some surprising benefits for blood sugar control. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants that naturally help lower blood sugar levels, making it a gentle yet effective choice. But that's not all. This soothing tea also reduces stress, which can prevent those pesky hormonal imbalances that lead to blood sugar spikes. Plus, it promotes better digestion, helping your body maintain steady glucose levels overnight. To get the best results, brew a fresh cup about 30 minutes before bed. Keep it simple and avoid adding sweeteners. This ensures you're not offsetting its blood sugar lowering effects. Sip slowly, let the stress melt away, and let chamomile do the rest. Drink number 4. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink for managing blood sugar levels. The acidity of lemon helps slow the absorption of sugar, keeping your blood sugar steady overnight. This drink is not only hydrating, but also supports liver health, which plays a crucial role in detoxification and blood sugar regulation. The vitamin C in lemons provides additional antioxidant support and helps improve the body's ability to handle stress, which can have a direct impact on blood sugar levels. For an added benefit, you can enhance your lemon water by adding a slice of ginger. Ginger has been shown to help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and even improve insulin sensitivity. Alternatively, a sprinkle of cinnamon can be added for an extra metabolic boost. To make this drink, simply add a slice or 2 of fresh lemon to a glass of warm water and enjoy 30 minutes before bed for the best results. Not only will this drink help regulate your blood sugar while you sleep, but it'll also support your overall health and wellness. Drink number 5. Unsweetened almond milk. Unsweetened almond milk is an excellent choice for lowering blood sugar levels, especially before bedtime. It's low in carbohydrates, meaning it won't cause any spikes in blood sugar, making it a great option for those who want to maintain stable glucose levels overnight. What makes it even better is its rich magnesium content, which helps regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. But that's not all. Unsweetened almond milk also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and supports better sleep, making it an ideal drink for winding down. You can enjoy it simply by drinking it plain, Or if you're craving something a little more indulgent, blend in some unsweetened cocoa powder for a delicious chocolatey treat that won't affect your blood sugar. It's the perfect way to support both your blood sugar balance and sleep quality, all in one soothing bedtime drink. For an added boost, toss in a slice of fresh ginger or sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Both add a warming kick and enhance the drink's blood sugar regulating effects. Just mix the juice of half a lemon into warm water, sip it before bed, and enjoy its gentle yet effective benefits. Drink number 6. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar isn't just for salads, it's a powerhouse drink for blood sugar control. This simple ingredient has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is key in keeping your blood sugar levels stable. The best part? It can also help reduce that dreaded post-meal blood sugar spike, making it a great option before bed. But the benefits don't stop there. Apple cider vinegar also supports digestion, helping your body process food more efficiently overnight. To make your own apple cider vinegar drink, start by mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. For an extra boost, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon. Not only does it add flavor, but cinnamon also helps regulate blood sugar. Drink this soothing concoction about 30 minutes before bed, and let it work its magic while you sleep. Simple, effective, and a great addition to your nightly routine. Drink number 7, ginger tea. Next up is a warm, soothing drink that works wonders for your blood sugar, ginger tea. Ginger is more than just a flavorful spice. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin function. Not only does it stabilize blood sugar, but it also aids digestion and reduces bloating, making it a great option for those who experience digestive discomfort before bed. Ginger tea is also fantastic at preventing nighttime blood sugar fluctuations, which means you can rest easy knowing your levels are staying steady while you sleep. To make it, simply brew fresh ginger slices in hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. Sip slowly and enjoy this calming drink right before bed. It's a natural way to support both your blood sugar and digestion, helping you feel relaxed and balanced overnight. Tips for making these drinks work for you. Now that you know the best bedtime drinks to help lower your blood sugar, let's talk about how to make them work even better for you. The key is to incorporate them into a routine that maximizes their benefits. Timing is crucial. You'll want to sip your chosen drink about 30 minutes to an hour before bed. This gives your body time to absorb the nutrients and allows the drink to start working while you wind down for the night. Whether it's helping to lower blood sugar or relax your mind, the timing is important. Portion control is another factor. While it might be tempting to drink more, sticking to just 1 cup is ideal. Overhydrating right before bed can disrupt your sleep with multiple trips to the bathroom, and we don't want that. A single serving of your bedtime drink is enough to reap the benefits without causing any interruptions. And finally, combine your drink with a relaxing bedtime routine for maximum impact. Pairing your drink with activities like light stretching, reading, or practicing deep breathing can help calm your mind and body. This way, you're not just supporting your blood sugar, but you're also preparing your body for a peaceful night's sleep. So sip your drink, take a few moments to relax, and let your body do the rest. These small steps can make a huge difference in stabilizing your blood sugar and improving your overall health. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to bedtime drinks, there are some common mistakes that can easily derail your efforts to lower blood sugar and improve your health. Let's go over them so you can avoid these pitfalls. Mistake number 1. Choosing sugary or calorie-dense drinks before bed. You might be tempted to grab a sweet, sugary drink before bed, but that's the last thing you want if you're aiming to stabilize your blood sugar. Sugary drinks can cause blood sugar spikes and disrupt your sleep. This includes things like sugary fruit juices, sodas, and even those detox teas that often contain hidden sugars. Solution: always opt for unsweetened, low-calorie options, like the drinks we've discussed today. If you're craving something sweet, add natural flavoring like cinnamon or a few drops of stevia, but avoid the sugar. These drinks will nourish your body without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster. By steering clear of sugary or high-calorie drinks, you'll be making smarter choices that help your blood sugar stay steady throughout the night, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. To recap, these bedtime drinks are not only simple to make, but they're also incredibly effective in helping you manage your blood sugar levels and enjoy a more restful sleep. Whether it's calming cinnamon tea, nutrient-packed golden milk, or the detox benefits of apple cider vinegar, these drinks could be the missing piece in your nighttime routine. So why not try one tonight and see the difference for yourself? It could be the key to waking up feeling refreshed and energized with more stable blood sugar levels. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.